In this video, we will be talking about iTrustCapital, which is an amazing platform that actually allows you to buy and sell crypto, gold and silver with your IRA, so with your retirement savings, allowing you to actually gather up and allocate some funds to that as well. It's going to be very interesting, it's very useful and valuable, so let's get right into this video. First, a quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Alright, welcome back and welcome to this video. We're going to dive right into it. Like I said, in this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about iTrustCapital, but you should know as well that if you actually want to check out their platform for yourself, if you still have any questions, if you just want to see what it looks like, see if you trust it, see if it's interesting for you, of course, then links will be down in the description. I am pretty sure it's going to be interesting to you. Depends a bit on your situation and where you're from, of course, but definitely worth the watch. So before we dive into it, and just in general to start off with a brief introduction, iTrustCapital basically allows you to use your retirement savings in a way that your taxes are, that you're taxed less. So using your IRA or other less taxed forms of savings, you can actually buy, sell crypto and gold and silver. All right. So interesting, easy to use, and we'll still get into the details. But first I wanted to go into a little bit about iTrustCapital. So what they do is you can do two things. So you can hold assets like crypto or like gold and silver on the balance sheet, which means they are recorded in the financial statements and have an impact on the financial ratios and leverage, and off the balance sheet. And what you should know is that iTrustCapital believes in holding them off balance so they can provide clients with the peace of mind that comes with knowing their assets are not commingled with the funds of iTrustCapital. So that is one of the things you need to know in favor of the clients that are off a balance sheet. And then apart from that, you should also, of course, know the benefits of an IRA. So this allows you to buy and sell crypto, but also gold and silver, and pay less taxes on them. I mean, having an IRA in general has great tax advantages. Like I said, links will be down in the description if you want to know more about that. This is definitely worth to check out. I mean, it doesn't mean that you cannot and you should not buy cryptos at any other place. But if you look at the fees that iTrustCapital has, which are very low, and especially also the taxes on IRAs are relatively low compared to buying and selling cryptocurrencies on an exchange, which obviously has commissions. You pay way more taxes on them in the US at least. So there are a ton of tax advantages on iTrustCapital. But now let's talk a little bit more about their platform. All right, now before we talk about the platform, and we will, don't worry, in a moment, you should also know that iTrustCapital is a big platform already, all right? They're not just starting out. They already have over $7 billion in transactions and over 200,000 accounts on their platform, and with more than 2,000 5-star reviews. So definitely reliable, but if you want to check that out, like I said, links will be down in the description. Now a little bit more about the platform. So they have their own platform and you can open an account there. Basically what you need to do is you can just easily sign up via the website down in the description. After you've signed up, you can fund your IRA, all right? So your account, your savings account with either cash, a rollover, or transferring something in the IRA. And then you can start investing. Like I said, cryptocurrencies and precious metals are the main asset classes they have on their platform. So what they do on their platform is they set up your new IRA. They have facilitation of transfer, rollover, and contributions. They do all the necessary IRS tax reporting. They have unlimited storage. They have a platform support and maintenance to help you while using the platform. And there are no additional or hidden account fees. The only fees are that it's free. It's $0 a month for personal accounts. There's a 1% buy and sell tax on cryptocurrencies. There's a $50 over spot per ounce transaction cost on gold and a $2.5 over spot per ounce silver transaction fee. All right, so that is what it is. Apart from that, the assets are stored off the balance sheet. They're your assets and not theirs. They're secure storage and they are a regulated custodian. But that is also, of course, already proven by all of the great transactions or the many transactions they have already done. The many customers they are facilitating their IRA for, they are buying crypto and gold and silver on iTrust, and of course by the reviews. All right, so that is iTrustCapital and everything you need to know. If you do still have any questions, of course, the links will be down in the description. But for now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.